All right, we're out here at 1206 Alba Street in Mobile. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath house is about to go up for sale. Nice little porch right here off the front. Enter the house into the living room area. Then kind of come into what would be or was being used as the dining room. And the first hallway with our bathroom number 1. We have a bedroom on the left and right here. This house was originally set up many years ago as a duplex, so where that bookshelf is, used to be another door that went outside. Bedroom number 2. And depending upon how you wanted to have this set up, you can get to the 3rd bedroom from that bedroom. However, we can also go back into the kitchen area or back to the dining room. Into the kitchen. Nice sized kitchen with lots of space. And this is that bedroom right off the kitchen that we were just in a minute ago. Came through bedroom 2 to bedroom 3. And then the 4th bedroom is back here. The laundry room's at the back of the house. With the 2nd bathroom. This property has a really nice sized backyard. And the driveway comes all the way into the back from the front. So lots and lots of parking space. There you have it.